Welcome back. In this lesson, you will learn about past indefinite tense. So, let's get started. When we talk this tense, we are talking about a time that is in the past or before now. So, past indefinite or simple past tense is used to denote an action completed in the past. Examples: we learned English at school. We played a match last Sunday. In this tense, we use second form of verb or past form of verb as in the above sentences. Here, learned and played are second form of verb. So, it is clear with the above sentences that past indefinite is used to denote an action that started and ended in the past. Now, the past indefinite tense is used with adverbs of past time, but present perfect is not used with adverbs of past time. For better understanding, look at these examples. He came here yesterday is a correct sentence. He has come here yesterday is an incorrect sentence. Why is the first sentence correct but second sentence incorrect? Here, yesterday, last week, a long time ago, etc. are adverbs denoting past time. So we use these adverbs only with past indefinite tense as in the first example, but not with the present perfect tense as in the second example. So second example is wrong because it is present perfect tense and we can't use past time with the present tense. In the same way, he reached home last night is a correct sentence because it is a past indefinite tense, and in the second sentence, he has reached home last night is an incorrect sentence. It is a sentence of present perfect tense. Now, note the difference in the meaning of the following sentences. We can write, when we write, we have lived here 10 years, it shows that we are still living here. We lived here 10 years means that we no longer live here. In the first sentence, we have lived here 10 years means we started living there sometimes 10 years ago, but we still living here. But in the second sentence, we lived there 10 years ago, but now in presently we don't live here. We use the past tense for recent and distant past with time or without time expression. Examples: she worked hard without time expression. Here time is not given. My father learned Punjabi in Chandigarh. Here also time is not given. We played a match last Sunday. We played hockey a long time ago. We played a match last Sunday. You can say that it is a recent past. A long time ago is a distant past. So you can say that we use past indefinite tense for time expression, without time expression, for recent and distant past. Past indefinite tense is also used to denote a habitual action in the past. He came to our house every evening. My grandmother never told lies. These sentences are of habitual actions. So, habits which we maintain in past is also written in past indefinite tense. Now the question is how to make sentences in past indefinite tense. First of all, affirmative sentences. Subject plus second form of verb plus object plus other words. Your subject may be first person, second person, third person, singular or plural subject. It may be he, she, it, you, we, they, but use only second form of verb. After that, object plus other words. Examples: he drank water, she played football, I stayed at home, we ate our dinner at 10 last night, it rained heavily last summer. In all these sentences, we use second form of verb. And second form of verb are drank, played, stayed, ate, rained, bought, went, etc. Now, negative sentences. First of all, subject plus did not. Use did not as a helping verb. After that, first form of verb. Note down, don't use here second form of verb. Use here first form of verb, because we use did here, and did in itself is a second form of verb. So don't use two second form of verb in a single sentence. So, he did not drink water, she did not play football, I did not stay at home, we did not eat our dinner at 10 last night, it didn't rain heavily last summer, you did not buy a new car. Here, drink, play, stay, eat, rain, why, go are first form of verb. Interrogative sentences use did first of all, and after that subject plus first form of verb, object plus other words. Did he drink water, and use question mark at the end of the sentence. Did she play football? Did I stay at home? Did you buy a new car? Did we eat our dinner at 10 last night? Did it rain heavily last summer? Did they go to picnic? Thank you for watching a video. Please like, share and subscribe.